Alright, chat, man. We out. Me and my brother finna go head out, go pick up my niece. Not finna spoil where we finna go, but my brother finna give y'all a cold start. Go ahead and start it, Jay. Yeah, you finna do a cold start. I just found out he got an SRT. It sounds good too. Yeah, that boy got the SRT, man. Last video y'all seen, we bought it, and now it's at the house, nigga. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we on the road. Yeah, man, we on the back street. Like I said, we was back last time, man. We bought the car, man. It's running good too, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all stop playing, man. SRT Hemi, man. Don't sleep on the Hemis. I be trying to tell y'all that, man. Look, man. Hey, man, Dodge, Mopar, no car, man. Stop playing, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's go, this bitch running, boy. Yeah, chat, man. Quick pulls, man. Y'all run up, hit the like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all comment below, man. If y'all want my brother to tune it up some more, man, y'all let me know. Comment, man. Y'all let them know what y'all want to do. Subscribe, like. Only reason I keep saying like the video, man, because if y'all like the video, it push it out to more people. So we can get, get some more people coming in. So y'all mess with your boy, man. But I'm gonna come back. We gonna get back to it. We pulling up on my niece. Woo, y'all hear it. Whoa! Oh yeah, we out, chat. We out.
I gotta leave the gun in the car though.
Yeah, we gotta leave both our gun in the car.
I ain't used to that.
Me neither. Parking by the regular Jeep Cherokee. You know what I'm saying? Not the SRT. Alright, we finna go in here. I will turn y'all back on once we get in. Yeah, we in Kikus, man. Yes, got my niece. We finishing off her prom weekend. So we finna go ahead and pick from this menu. Chat what y'all get from Benny Hunters and places like this. You know, what you get?
It's the appetizer.
Okay. That what you want?
What?
Cooked octopus? Oh no. Oh no, I'm not getting no octopus. I'm finna. I ain't. That's Uncle Jason. I'm not getting no octopus. I'm getting steak and shrimp. Yeah, she tried to show me appetizer. Octopus. I ain't eating that. No. She's finna eat octopus. Go ahead. Oh my god. It tastes like chicken? It's chewy, yeah.
It tastes like bacon. I don't eat bacon.
It don't taste like bacon.
Yes, it does. It smells like bacon.
Oh wow.
Eat it. I can't.
Oh, she got a piece.
All done?
Yes.
It's like bacon.
Try another piece that don't taste like bacon. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, chat. Y'all eat octopus or what, man? Chat, comment down below. Oh, we'll be back once the chef get here. I just had to record that octopus. Tastes like bacon?
It's like raw bacon, don't it?
Yeah, chat, cooked it came, man. We finna go up. Got my nieces with me. You know what I'm saying? We got a view of what we got going on. Oh, this sweet tea, yeah. We up here in Camp Creek area.
2, 3. Eyelids, employ, wing, kick back.
Okay, okay. Gotta get the volcano.
Happy birthday to you. Happy graduation.
What's up, man? I'm hungry too, Chad. Chat, y'all eat eggs and y'all rice.
Hari.
I got bread in the cut too, man. You know what I'm
So everybody got fried rice?
saying? Yes, yes.
Yeah. Alright.
Big plate of rice, boy.
Lot of rice.
Big plate of rice.
Ice cream. Boleh tak ice cream? Ice cream on the rice. Yeah. Dum. Rice, baby. Dum. Rice, baby.
You know how to hook it up. Fried rice, baby.
Yeah, happy graduation. Okay, enough for you.
That's all you
Ini
get.
saya today, alright? Come back tomorrow. Here we go.
Oh, we hooked you up too. That's what's up. That's what's up. Everybody gets
Happy
it.
birthday.
Even bro. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, boss.
Noodle. You're welcome. Be careful, very hot, everybody. You need to blow it. Blow it. Happy graduation. What can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. Yeah.
Big plate now. See it. We almost This is my plate. I'm finna go in, chat. We had a good day. Give y'all some quick pulls in the Hemi, man. Yeah. We out, man. That joint was good. I ain't gonna even lie. I got you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, chat. We was out here, man. We just leaving Kikus, man. They just hooked us up. Not gonna lie. Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. We out. Took my family to Kikus.